Hi, I'm Captain Tanguay with Orange County Fire Authority. We got this call for a structure fire this morning at a little after 2 o'clock. The resident woke up to the sound of his smoke alarm, alerting him. He went to the next room, found his natural Christmas tree fully engulfed in fire and quickly spreading to the rest of his house. He ran outside and to get his dog, and the dog ran back in, and he went after it. Fortunately, he was able to quickly find the dog, and they both escaped out a window. We strongly encourage everybody to make sure that you have working smoke alarms. Get rid of that natural Christmas tree before it becomes a problem, and have an exit plan for your home. Once you're outside, stay outside.